Hey, welcome back to the Raw Barrel Workbench. Today I wanted to show you something new. We've been working on this do-it-yourself leather care kit. Anyway, the idea behind this is pretty simple. Instead of buying another finished leather conditioner, we're giving you the ingredients to make your own. You get the beeswax, you get the pine rosin, you get the Neatsfoot oil, and you also get the Jojoba oil and the reusable tin. So when you're done melting, you pour it in the tin, let it cool down, put the lid on, you're good to go. We also did something a little different with the packaging. On the back, it's got the printed instructions, but it also has a QR code. This way it takes you right to the website for the printed instructions. They're a little easier to read. And there's also a video there. Shows you how to make it. So again, this is what you get in the kit. We're not going to put it together today. We're going to save that for another video. But again, the video on how to make it is on the website for you guys to watch. And it's just 4 simple ingredients. You make it yourself. That's what we're going for here. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you again soon.